Well, good afternoon, folks. Just hanging out outside Elroy's garage. Nice, beautiful, sunny afternoon. I don't know. It's got to be 10 degrees, 11 degrees. Anyways, I was going through some of my parts today and came across two, three boxes full of Chryco parts. Anyways, I just have to show these to you. Well, I'll take you in, show you these parts that I was able to gather. Really cool parts. They're definitely old, kind of like me, but probably even older than that, if you can believe that. Anyways, let's just quickly go through them. All right, this is actually kind of exciting. It's kind of like Christmas for us car guys to go through some of this stuff. First thing I see here, it's a distributor cap. Uh, Never heard of this company before, but yeah, it's for a two-cylinder, so that's really sweet. A newer distributor cap here for, I have no idea what it's for. Looks like it's for a four-cylinder. Remanufactured, obviously. Yeah, I got valves, exhaust valves here. I got glove box, latch assemblies. That's kind of cool. I got some muffler clamps. Oh, I got another muffler clamp package. That's kind of cool. I guess they went through a lot of muffler clamps back in the day. Master cylinder repair kits. Spring shackle bushing package. That's really cool. Boy, I got a pile of these wheel cylinder kits for the hydraulic brakes. Bearing cones. I got a pile of bearing cones. Smaller ones all the way to these big boys. I have no idea what these fit. That's the crazy thing, right? I don't have a catalog that goes back this far to the old Chryco parts, so uh, it's really difficult too when you're doing some research on Google and whatnot to actually to find what these particular parts fit. So, I mean, look at these old uh, bags that the parts used to come in, right? And you got Dodge and Plymouth, Chrysler, Desoto, definitely old. I don't think most people have ever shopped and came out with these kinds of things. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I got yeah, some more old Chryco parts. Don't know what it is. Doesn't say on the package. Oh, that's kind of cool. Terminal for your battery posts. All the stuff that goes with it. That's kind of neat. Yeah, got transmission gasket set. That's pretty sweet. Talks about some of the years that it fits. Starts, looks like, 35, 39, 47. That's pretty cool. But a conrod. Anybody looking for a conrod assembly? Doesn't say what it's for. Definitely one in here. Don't want to open it. It's probably not rusty. It's probably like brand new. Just kidding. Probably got some rust on it. We've got an oil gauge assembly. I know what it's for because it says right on top of the box here. Somebody put the parts on it. Custom Oil Lancer, the D500 Coronet oil gauge assembly. I'm going to check it out. It'd be cool. See? Just like Christmas. I wouldn't lie to you guys. Open it up. Be careful. Try not to wreck the box too bad. Oh, another box inside. A part number on it. I don't know if it's ever been opened or not. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Definitely brand new. New old stock, they call it. That's a pretty sweet little item. Glad I opened that up. Be careful putting it back together. Okay, I'm just going to wait to do that. So yeah, some pretty cool things for sure. I have got, I don't know, 2, 4, 5, I have about 20 boxes of these unopened. Spark plugs, 8 to a pack. I found the list of what these actually fit, so and it's quite a number of vehicles, but yeah, it was just kind of a cool find for sure. Well, we got another box, odds and ends. It's kind of cool. These particular boxes are empty. Nobody knows, so put them up in my shelf here. People don't think I have a whole selection of old parts. I'm not going to tell them different. Of course, we got some newer Chryco parts in here. Oil rings, seals. These I might be able to find out what they fit with these part numbers, being that they're a little bit newer. Yeah, got some more valves here. They're brand new in a bag. Don't know what they fit. They're going to fit something, probably. Yeah, I got a set of points here. I have no idea what they fit. There's a part number on it as well, but guaranteed to work, kinda, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. What else do we have? How about this? Fuse block mounting circuit breakers. Mounting circuit breakers. Whole pile of them. What do they work on? Don't know. Somebody out there knows. I guarantee it. I would go, gosh, I'm looking for those, Wade. Anyways. And what are these? Chryco kingpins. My buddy Zizi. I call him my kingpin. He knows everything about cars. Oh, these are cool. Yeah, these are cool. These are kingpins. For anybody that doesn't know what a kingpin is, that's what these are. Kingpins. Remember that. It's going to be a test after. So I got a couple of boxes of these kingpins. Looks like 2 different sizes. Anyways, yeah. If anybody wants to leave a comment on my find, that would be great. To be honest, I don't think there's a whole lot of value to these parts. I think they're just nostalgic and a real cool piece to have in my garage that people can talk about when they see them. And anyways, I thank you folks for checking out Elroy's garage and all the cool things that go on here. This is just the start. This is crazy. This is awesome. Anyways, thanks again for checking out the site. Love you guys.